my channel. Today's video, I'm going to unbox my new GoPro 8 Hero Black. So, I'm so excited to know and discover, and of course, there's a lot of things to learn about this action cam. Let's get started! There is already a bag for this. So in our box, guys, we have a battery. We have, of course, a GoPro Hero 8 Black. We have a sticker. We have a mount that we can put on our car if you like to vlog while you are traveling. So this is, you can take away because this is a sticker. So you can stick on it on the dashboard and you can insert your camera here. This one, this is a mount for dashboard car. You can lock with that if after you put or you insert your GoPro, and you can use whatever you like. And of course, we have a cable for charger. Also, and we have a product questions if you need to know something. So let's get started to open this. In GoPro, there is already a built-in connection that we can connect our accessories that we like to use. For example, this one. First, we are going to connect it here. Just press this one, press, and insert here. It's a little bit difficult, guys. It's my first time. Then you must be sure that it is already inserted well and lock with this to avoid lose your camera. And we gonna put this one here and lock with this. Wait for a while. So you can adjust. If you're going to make it steady, close it well, like that. And if you're going to adjust a little loosely, loose a little bit, yeah, and close it well. So you can take away the sticker and stick on the dashboard of your car. Any kind of accessories you can connect, and it is very compatible for any movement. So we were going to take away first. How we will take away? So guys, this one you can close it because it's a magnet, so it's easy. Then we will open this one, and from here we can this one we can push. You can see this, guys, press in and push it out, slide it out. So there are compatible SD cards for your GoPro. They said that Samsung 128 Evo A2 and SanDisk Extreme Pro A2. So I bought for me a Samsung Evo 128 gigabytes. So we were going to put on the slot here, something like that. So for your preferences, we will do like this. The SD card is going is facing to the LCD of camera here. Wait, because so as you can see, use your nails to push it down. It's a little bit okay. Wait, so that's right. So use your nails to push it down, and to push it out, use your nails again to push it down, and automatic it will going to go out like that. So we're going to put it first the SD card and our battery. So our preferences is how to put your battery is like that. Your GoPro and like this. Okay. So this guys, this one, this is the thing that you can use to take out the battery. So it's easy to take out the battery. Do like that only, and got it. So we put it back again. And how to charge? How to charge your battery? So you can connect this one in any type of USB charger, or in your tablet, your laptop, or in the USB wall. So this one you can put this one here, attach it USB-C, and this one you can attach in anywhere charge. It's okay. Then first, before you use that, we are going to charge first. In GoPro we have 12 megapixel 4K video resolution with 60 f 1080p and 240. We have water resistance until 30 feet or 10 meters. Voice control, slow-mo 8 times, data overlays, time wrap 2.0, live streaming direct from your phone connecting to your GoPro, 1080p, Super Photo Plus HDR, and a RAW. Hyper Smooth 2.0. Uploads your footage to the cloud while charging with a GoPro subscription. I think it is advisable to subscribe in GoPro application, guys, because they have their own video editing, safe music to use in your blog, and your video looks professional. To charge the GoPro 8, I use my USB charger that I am using for my phone. So you can use any USB charger, guys. This is the USB port for charge. You can know that your GoPro is charging because you can see the light in the front and there's another light in the back. We will wait until it will full. When the battery is full, the light will be off. So guys, I already uploaded the quick application from Google app for GoPro, and we have here our GoPro is already on, and it said that install the GoPro app on your phone to finish the setup. So just if the screen is off, just double tap on it, it will be on it again. So what we will do is connect to GoPro. Then it will show you the unit of your camera. So we have GoPro 8 Black. We click that and connect your camera. So it said here, leave your camera on and follow the steps. So now our GoPro, it's already connected to our phone. So it said as we found your GoPro. So we will going to connect this one. We click the connect, or you can then there is down there not to my camera. So we'll connect the camera here. And as you can see from here, our GoPro is already connected. So here guys, there is a change camera name. So you can change my GoPro, so you can change your name whatever you like, or you can leave like that. So I want to change, or I will leave like as Glenda for Travel here. I type it already. Then you see down there your name that you like to put, it's already down in the camera. I don't know if you can see guys because it's not here. Okay, then so as you can see that one we have, because it's not really, I'm sorry guys, it's very difficult to go vlog with alone. So your Hero 8 block is ready, so you can connect that. Let's go and upload your footage to the cloud while charging. They said it's okay, so we don't subscribe, or we didn't buy membership from the cloud. So we click not now, and you can see that there is a name of mine, control your GoPro. So we click the GoPro here, and let's go. So turn on preview to frame your shot and see what your GoPro sees. Okay, so the GoPro quick application asks you to connect the Wi-Fi, and we're going to connect this. Control our GoPro from our phone. Let's go to quick GoPro quick app. There we go. Then we will going to click this GoPro. Control your GoPro, click, and there is view media if you like to view your media, but we will going to click first this control your GoPro, how it works. On the Wi-Fi, and done. So our GoPro now it's on. It's automatic on guys. If you're going to open your quick app in your phone, the GoPro is automatic going to open, and you can control your GoPro into your phone. So as you can see here, what GoPro sees, you can control it to your phone. Here I am. To control your media, we will go in this side. You see that we'll click that, and we can control our media. So as you can see, it is connected automatic in our GoPro, and if you like, your GoPro will ask you scan for new footage if you have a new video, so you can download that in your phone. But since my phone is already full, I leave it in my SD card. It is really fun to use this tiny but powerful camera. So see you in my next vlog. I'm going to discuss the next application of this camera, because we have a lot of things to know. Thank you for watching guys. That's the end of my vlog. I hope you learned something, and feel free to comment below any suggestions and any question. I can answer you somehow. So see you in my next vlog. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. See ya.